So we are in the Christmas market in Wroclaw. I think that last year we were here, but now we came a bit earlier because I'm just cannot wait for the Christmas market and Christmas vibe and already snow. Okay.
And it's also less people still at the beginning of December, right? Because later we're planning to go to different city what we actually never film on this YouTube channel yet for Christmas market. Yes, Saya, we're gonna go before Christmas to Gdańsk.
Tak. Oh.
But now Wrocław, and we're gonna show you around. Less people, easier to film. Later in Gdańsk, I hope so, will be snowing. Now it's raining. It was snowing 2 days ago. And I'm not sure, it's gonna probably be very, very busy, especially as last year it was the best Christmas market in Poland and one of the best in Europe. But this one is just our one of the favorite one. And then you can see already the city hall. Even less people is Monday, actually. Monday, first week of the Christmas market, but it doesn't look like it's actually not too many people. It's still quite many.
Oh my god. I think this is one of the biggest Christmas market in Poland and in so many cities in Poland. So I think one of the biggest is here in Wrocław, and it is closer to Poznan. So yeah, why not? Let's go.
Let's go. That's true. This one is one of the biggest. But one of the best one is in Gdańsk. That's why we have to film it.
We just have the new one here. Before it was only a restaurant, right?
Yeah, actually it's more bigger and bigger. More stalls are everywhere. This one was something like this last year, that's true. But there is the new lights on the city hall actually. And yeah, I'm gonna show you around. More and more people actually coming everywhere around. I'm gonna show you. So we starting December with the Christmas vibe. A lot of Christmas stuff gonna be in this month on YouTube. I hope so. You still following us? And let's go. Saying where we go first? Inside this one? Okay, let's go. Anyways, yo, what's up? Well, anyway, everybody already know my voice, so I don't need to show much my face. Better I show you much of the Christmas market today, because actually many of my viewers ask us to show the Christmas, how is the Christmas in Poland.
You have to come to Wrocław.
Yeah, come to Poland, generally, anywhere, wherever you come, it will be nice. Nice experience. Going everywhere around. There was actually the song from the Kevin Home Alone, actually. I forgot the title of the original song. And so many stuff. There's supposed to be a Christmas tree. Ale, why the Christmas tree have no lights, eh?
Huh?
Why Christmas tree have no lights on?
Maybe not yet.
Maybe we are too early still. Alright, so this is the city hall. You're familiar with my previous videos. So technically speaking, the golden rule in Europe, in case if you're actually coming to Europe, some of you, or yeah, in Europe is just going to Christmas markets to different countries or here. As from the beginning of December or late days of November, but usually from the beginning of December up to approximately 10-15 of December, gonna be cozy like this one. Not too many people, but still busy enough. Everything open. Yeah, let's have a look. Grilled cheese, sayang, that's your favorite one. Maybe you can try. Oh, the food. And after the 15th of December, gonna be very, 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 very busy and crowded everywhere. Ale both times are good, and we're gonna show you Wrocław right now when it's quiet, and Gdańsk when it's actually already busy, because we are planning to go actually on 15. So a few days before Christmas. Yeah, this is like a many traditional stuff you can eat, like a hot cabbage, onion, mushroom with the bread. Kind of, but on the bread. But no, he actually make it on the like a pizza stuff. Yeah, there is the pictures like this one. So overall, there is definitely more stores this year. They changed a little bit how it's located everything. Yeah. Sayang, interesting fact, you know that in Poznan actually we're gonna film also, right? There is actually ice skating on the middle.
Oh, look, this one. So many traditional Polish food like bigos, kiełbasa.
Tak, bigos, kiełbasa, szłaszłyk. This is all traditional stuff. I'll show you. They fried their sausage and everything. Oh, people making pictures, so cute, huh? Nice, you happy?
Tak.
Dobra, idziemy more, let's go.
Can you make a picture selfie here?
Okay, sure. Okay, we change it now, camera. So many Christmas music here. I just hope so I'm not gonna get a copyright strike on YouTube, because from my experience, it's possible. But these wooden huts are always coming here, and they're selling the grzaniec, which is the mulled wine, very popular in Europe for the winter, especially in the markets like this one. So it's nice as everything is wooden, even it's temporary, but they keep the nice authentic vibe. Here I think they can sell also other stuff like fries, Belgian fries. There are some lights, decoration, dwarfs, because Wrocław is famous for dwarfs, yes? Yeah, look like this one, the city hall in the background. Sayang, only the sad thing is that as the Christmas tree is already huge here, but no lights yet, too early. Normally it's full of lights, this Christmas tree. And there is continuation behind. I think when we were here last year, it was before Christmas, it was actually super busy.
Very nice.
Very nice vibe, isn't it? So the square actually in Wrocław is pretty big in general. It's also one of the, maybe it's not the one of the most popular, it's pretty popular city, because the Krakow and Gdańsk is definitely more popular through the tourist, international perhaps. Which side we go? Left or right? Dobra, let's go have a look. I think they're still fixing the decorations. It's like not 100% yet. That is cool. So this side wing of the square is combined with the regular bazaar, where they're selling the flowers every day, all year round, with the bazaars selling other stuff. And there is also some stuff going on, and show you from the perspective, as this is pretty big. There are some toys, and I was thinking, and actually the boy won the big toy, and he's so happy, bigger than him. The toy is bigger than the boy. But so many people actually, this must be good idea for business. People making pictures, and this one. So this is like I said to the people, saying, now it's quiet.
It's quiet. It's Monday. It's before 15 December.
Yeah, but
so
after 15
will be packed.
So in Gdańsk, we're gonna be very busy. And sometimes it's also better to show slowly like this on how the things look like. Right? Nice. This house is nice. Always here since I was here first time in Wrocław. Actually. So, yeah, and there in the background is the playground, like a huge playground for the kids. So if you're coming with the kids and they wanna spend some time, you can also bring them here and they can enjoy it. This house is actually, I think we can go to the top. And there is the ding dong from the church.
What's his name?
I don't know, they make some baguette and grill. They have a baguette and the grill, like a nice, very nice one. Look at this Polish sausage, huh? It smells good. And the mulled wine is here. I will show you. Also the jars. So a lot of people drink it. However, I'm not drinking because I'm driving. But you can have a herbata, which is tea, perhaps. Ale you looking for this one, for grzaniec, just in case. They will speak English anyways. On those kind of bazaars, markets, everybody speaks English here. Most of the sellers. What's the prices actually? Alright, let's go back to the square. Oh, so many donks today. So from just give you point of view, we start behind this one at the end of the street and we move basically there. And that's it. We still have 3 sides of the square to show you. This Christmas tree is not lighting today. But yeah, can have everything. Churros. I don't know why churros are so popular. However, decorations of this hut of the churros is so nice. Though, really cool. They have some of them. They have a really nice decorations.
Oh.
Sashwyk.
Sate, no?
Satay, yeah.
Sate, yeah?
Yep. It's always famous. Oh, look at this one. Actually, so cool. Looking good. Actually, pretty decent, isn't it?
Nice.
No, I'm fine. Thank you. Buła drwa.
So good.
No tak, the smell.
Oh, Oh, this one's
zapiekanki,
zapiekanka.
hot baguette. You see, they have even 2 languages, eh? Like I said, yeah. Zapiekanka has been hot baguette. Might be like that. Alright. What else? Some coffees, some hot chocolates, some stuff like this. Cheese. No, that's actually fruits. I don't know what's actually this. No, kind of fried stuff. Generally. Right, idziemy dalej. Then we have a piernik wrocławski. So yeah, look at, there is the gingerbread, but the Wrocław gingerbread. Piernik wrocławski. Very nice hut. Decorations actually so dope. Alright.
And the thing is that the Christmas songs are everywhere.
No tak.
So nice.
They are local dwarfs here because Wrocław city is famous for the dwarfs. Like Poznań perhaps is famous for the goats. Here they are famous for the dwarfs, and somebody make it cool dwarfs actually, statues like this one. Product Polski, which means the product made in Poland, not in China. At least they thought like this. Let's see. Magnets, stuff like this one, okay, normal. Some decorations for Christmas also. Okay, here the artistic, this one, actually cool stuff also. Alright, some craft stuff, homemade. Right, they more like a delivery and handcraft stuff, eh? Yeah. Right. And the Christmas, and of course this one. This always must be Sam. So you wanna go on it?
No, I will get busy.
Yeah. Oh, and there is the speaking mouse, sayang.
No? Oh.
Yeah, the mouse speaking mouse. Always like that. I should speak Polish only, but generally.
Kochanie sobie.
No tak. Oh, he was sweet. Chapek. Interesting. Overall, like this one. Oh, there is little smaller Christmas tree, but the lights are on there. So many sausage stuff here, like kielbasa, the sausage, szaszłyk, and stuff like this one.
So many.
So many actually on every corner, huh? Wow. So this Christmas tree is actually moving cars. Nice. They sitting like in the bombs, not bomb.
Baby, zobacz.
No?
So many things here. Czekaj jest.
Nie wiem,
This
that's
is
the
house decoration.
house decoration, no? Nice product. This one like a kind of like a Bali style, but Polish versions, eh?
We go.
No. The wooden boards, handmade. Yeah, very nice. Very nice stuff. Other one. Of course, they are everywhere restaurants, by the way, right? However, I believe the restaurants are, I think, slightly quieter during the Christmas season like this, due to many kind of bazaar stuff. So yeah, that's how does it look like. And this is actually the carousel. This looks cool actually though, and this one is actually cool. I never see this one before, to be honest.
This is a new one. I
No?
think it's a new one.
The new one, yeah. Totally different. Huh. We were thinking to go on this Christmas tree because it looks cool. I'm afraid as well we'll get dizzy.
No,
Getting
yes,
cold
but-
already. It's not like long time ago doing crazy stuff.
No, but now it's just like I just enjoying the sightseeing to show you what the people normally sell during the Christmas market. So many beautiful stuff.
So yeah, do you want a cheese?
No, I just have a look.
Mountain cheese, very popular. They are mountain drinking, I mean, no, the wines. And they are mountain cheese.
Nice, that's from Zakopane, no?
No. They are craft food. krówki, jarmarkowe produkty. Also I can see Georgian stuff here.
So it's not only Polish stuff.
No, of course.
International. Even that they have a turecki, shima.
Yeah, Turkish delights, tureckie przysmaki, which mean Turkish delights, as you can see, nice stuff. Churros was also, it's not Polish obviously. Gruzian is mean the Georgian stuff, so a lot of nice stuff everywhere. No, so many nice stuff. Yeah. The smell is everywhere like a proper bazaar.
Maybe after this I will smell like, smoke like.
Alright, so we have a kielbasa sausage grill, golonka, which is the pork knuckle. Actually, pork knuckle is very, very popular here in Poland. That's similar like in Germany, it's very popular. People making here pictures. And we are like a 75-80% of the market we covered already. So lovely. That's the mulled wine, everything here. Look like this one. Nice. Everything is very, very nice. So cool. So cool, huh? Let's go there. We didn't cover this side again. Let's go. There's the dwarf of the lights. So like I said, the restaurants are also here and there. I think we eat this French fries. I mean, actually not French but Belgian. Last year. It was nice. Somewhere there. So many bars, so many music. Also the restaurants if you would like to go to the restaurant instead. But generally, December is reserved for the Christmas markets in Europe. In most of the countries in Europe, at least in Central Europe. So that's for sure. So there are socks here, some decorations. There are big socks. And of course, owoce w czekoladzie, fruits in chocolate. This is where we wanna try something. Let's see. It's only few products actually, not that much selection though. But there is something. The gofry, of course, this is like the popular stuff in Poland. The waffle with the fruits and ice creams and the whipped cream. Maybe you wanna try this one? This is very traditional.
No, maybe I will try this one.
Dobra, try this one. And then the, of course, alcoholic. And this one. Let's try gofry. Like this one. Let's see. So you wanna try? Let's try gopher. So we're taking the gopher with the bubble like this one.
Oh, look
See.
Nice.
Lady is making it. Which one you order?
I order the Nutella over Sami, which means Nutella and the fruit.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, the Nutella is warm. The lady is preparing there actually. Let's see how they're gonna make it.
Nice.
We actually 2 years trying to try this one. This is first time we are having so many places to have it, and we decided to have it now. I don't know why actually, but it's okay.
Nice. When it's cold, crisp. I really like sweet.
No tak.
Dzięki.
Super, dzięki. Oh, you have it.
Nice. Look at this.
Look at this. So lovely, so. Try. Let the people go. Ooh, you already chocolate everywhere.
So good.
No tak, so good. Ooh. Dobre? Lubisz? Looking really decent actually. She make it really nice. And I'm actually so proud of my wife, Sayang. She speaks much and much better Polish. Because when she ordered, I forgot to press start filming. When you ordered the goffer with the Nutella, you said bąbelkowy wafel z
Nutella i owocami.
Nutellą i owocami. Perfectly. No even question asked from the seller. So they understand. So it's good. Alright, let's go. Sayang, enjoy it? Very good? Oh, look at that. Sayang like a small kid. That's good. They're actually behind this one. There's like a nice hut, people drinking upstairs. But here, when you touch this one, actually, you know, the stuff is like generating power. There's some nice factory decor and everything. This is the roller coaster. So I'm still enjoying this one. It's so big actually, yeah. And this one from Legion. So many nice stuff. And this one here also something. Yeah. Alright, that was the Christmas market in Wrocław, Poland, beginning of December. How was your waffles?
It's very nice, very delicious, and then I think that's all. My hand is full of chocolate because I, you know, eat all of my coffee. Thanks for watching, and see you next time in a different cities of Poland, probably Gdańsk or somewhere else. Thanks for watching, and bye.
See ya, take care.